Okay, so in this video, let me talk about how you can record 4K 60 FPS on your Android device. Let's get started, and if this is your first time here on Foxtecc, make sure you subscribe so you never miss anything important. Well, it all comes down to like your specific Android model and the camera hardware because it has to like support it, but it's very likely that your phone supports it because most devices nowadays support the 4K 60 FPS, but you now have to open up the camera application and switch from the photo mode to the video mode, and at the top of the list, or with the buttons right there, you need to click on the one which says something like the resolution. For me it says UHD 30 or something else, but I need to essentially switch it from the 30 fps to 60 fps. So I also see the resolution selection, so I have the HD, Full HD, Ultra HD, and 8K, and the UHD, the Ultra option, is basically the 4K, so I need to choose that as well as 60 FPS, and then it's going to capture in that desired settings. Of course, you can also switch the professional mode of the camera, so there is that option, and you can as well get a third-party camera app from the App Store, from the Play Store, of course. So if you feel like your camera, the built-in app, doesn't work the best way, you can also explore some different camera apps on the Play Store, which could potentially give you better experience when capturing the videos. But yeah, that's it for me. Let me know what you think. Subscribe for more tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll see you later.